What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So today it is May 23rd, 2020. Why is that date important? Yeah, if you're watching this a few years from now, we are still currently going through this whole COVID-19 virus bullshit. A lot of the states in this country, they're still on a lockdown. A lot of businesses that aren't essential are still closed. So why is that important? Because today we're actually gonna go and try and pick up a new truck. We're gonna go hit up the dealership where I actually purchased this truck 3 years ago, and you know, we're gonna try and pick up a brand new 2020. It's not gonna be for me, it's gonna be for someone real close to me. So I'm gonna go with them. We're gonna try and get this deal done, and we're gonna see basically just what it's like to go and buy a new truck during this whole pandemic. So stick around, enjoy the video, and let's see what we can get up to. Alrighty guys, here we are. You know we're here at the goddamn Ram dealership. You know that's the only truck we'd only get. So let's find out where this crazy guy is and let's pick out a truck. Got some nice ones up there. Pretty cool. Got a Ram right here. Let me go ahead and park real quick. Where's the truck at, dog? Bam, right here. $2020 quad cab, 1500.
Hell yeah.
Dope. COVID special. Wow, look at that. I don't know if you can see the tag on there, but sticker price just under 40,000. They knocked off 10K off the price, so pretty good deal, I think. It's got the bigger bed. Just need to do the bed liner in there. Got the two-tone interior, the little wood grain. Look at that. Pretty sweet, man. You know, it's got the little screen, but I'm gonna change that out anyway. Yeah, man, 2020, 5th gen Ram. You know, it's not for me, but I'm definitely gonna be documenting this project as well, so pretty excited for him. New work truck, big upgrade. Do a little walk around here. Hell yeah, it's dope. Perfect platform. Get some 35s on there. Hell yeah. Badass truck, man. I just caught this out of my eye. It's a 2020 1500 Sport. Looks cool in this red. I'm typically not one for red vehicles, but I like how they do the paint matched on there. I think it looks nice. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. Yeah, they have this one stickered at 44,000 with Bighorn. A pretty good deal. You know, after negotiating, you can get a good deal on. Alright guys, we just left the vehicle, or just left the dealership. We got the new 2020 in front of us right there, so let's go, let's have a look at it. God damn! Look at this shit right here. We even got the old Gladiator out with us. We gotta take the whole squad when we go to the dealership. God damn!
How the guy is as big as that one, bro?
Today. Alright guys, here we are. Gonna go take it for a little drive real quick, see if it's any different than the 4th gen. Right off the bat, I had no idea that they actually had updated the key. So yep, there you go. That's a 5th gen key. And let me grab a 4th gen key so you can see the difference there. So yeah, it's pretty sweet. So let's go ahead and jump on inside here and take it for a spin. But we'll get that fixed. see. Steering wheel's a little bit different. This one actually has the bench seat, so that's kind of cool. Obviously, you know, you got the two-tone interior here. It's got the black with the not leather, it's gray seats. I think that's actually kind of cool. But yeah, you got the bench seat up here. I have no idea how you fold that back down, but pull this little string and that folds it down. Cool. And then you got the storage up here. A lot of storage in this thing. I think that's pretty sweet. The little screen up here. So it's pretty much like a base model, but honestly that's kind of cool because it's just giving us a basically a blank slate to more or less start with the mods. So we're going to be upgrading the radio, sound system, obviously lift, tires, wheels, exhaust, bed liner, all sorts of shit. You know how we do it on the channel. So this is Dave's truck. Dave's my cousin, best man at my wedding, best friend. So we're gonna do him right. We're gonna get this shit on point. He's down for it, so we're gonna fucking hit this thing full force. This thing's gonna be, basically the Rebel's little bro. It's the new 2020 5th gen on the channel. Stay tuned for some more shit. This is gonna be a lot of fun. Driving this truck right now, it just reminds me of how smooth these trucks really drive. I forget it since the Rebel, it's lifted on big 35s and it's a stiffer suspension with the Fox shocks, but it's so smooth. I haven't driven a stock truck in a while, so this was a nice reminder of just how great and how smooth these actual trucks drive. It's such a badass truck. For the money, you cannot beat it. Brand new 2020, a quad cab, Hemi engine, it has a V8, 29 grand. Come on, that's fucking awesome. I'm a Mopar guy, so obviously I'm a little bit biased, but again, show me something better out there for the price. I'm all ears. So yeah guys, I'm stoked for him. I'm happy. He's been wanting a truck for a while. It's cool to see him finally basically get what he wanted. It's awesome. So here we go, we got the two trucks here. What do you think we should do with this? Do you think we should go kind of follow suit, 35s, some sort of like off-road method wheel, or should we go a little bit more of a show build, a little bit more flashy with like maybe some I don't know, like American Force wheels or some Archon wheels, something like that, something a little bit more flashy, or do something completely different and lower it, make it a street truck, put like some brass monkey wheels on there, like the Hellcat wheels, lower it. It'd be pretty sweet too. Let me know what you guys think. So that's gonna do it for this one, guys. New vehicle purchased, not for me but for my cousin. It's gonna be sick, it's gonna be fun. Truck shopping during COVID-19. No different than going and buying a car or truck at any other point. You just gotta wear a stupid face mask inside, but hey, whatever, I get it, I understand. Social distancing, it works. So yeah guys, stay tuned for a new 5th gen Ram project that's going to be on the channel. He's all gung-ho about modding it, so it's going to be sick. Comment down below what you guys would like to see. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate that, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.